Let me say something most guys don't want to hear. Texting is probably the exact reason things keep falling apart with women. You think you're building attraction. You think you're staying consistent. But what's actually happening is you might be slowly talking her out of liking you. If you've ever had a conversation go from great to dry to completely dead, this is exactly why. The problem with texting is that it removes everything that actually creates attraction. There's no tone of voice, no eye contact, no body language, no tension. All the things that make someone feel something are gone, and all you're left with are words on a screen. And when all you have are words, most guys overcompensate. They text too much, they explain too much, and they try way too hard. And that's where things start going downhill. Attraction needs space. If she already knows everything about your day, your thoughts, your plans, and your opinions before she even sees you again, there's nothing left to discover. You've basically turned yourself into a daily podcast she didn't ask for. Mystery isn't about playing games. It's about not giving everything away through a screen. When you text nonstop, you kill anticipation, and anticipation is a huge part of attraction. Then there's the issue of availability. If you're replying instantly every single time, always ready to talk, always carrying conversation, it sends one clear message. You don't have much going on, and that's not attractive. People are naturally drawn to those who have a life, who are busy, who aren't glued to their phone waiting for a reply. It's not about pretending to be busy. It's about actually having priorities outside of texting. Another problem is that texting conversations tend to become logical instead of emotional. They fall into the same boring patterns. What did you do today? How was work? What are you up to? That's not attraction. That's just small talk. Attraction is emotional, and when the conversation feels predictable and flat, she doesn't lose interest because you said something wrong. She loses interest because she didn't feel anything. On top of that, texting makes people say things they would never say in person. Long paragraphs, over-explaining, double texting, trying to fix the conversation. It all comes from relying too much on words instead of presence. In real life, you don't need to force things like that, but over text, it's easy to fall into that trap and end up chasing instead of connecting. So what's the solution? It's not to stop texting completely. It's to use texting for what it's actually meant for. Texting should be a tool to set up real-life interactions, not replace them. You're not supposed to build the entire connection through your phone. The goal is to keep things light, keep things easy, and move things offline. Instead of sending long, serious messages, keep your text short and playful. Don't just report your day. Say something that creates a reaction, something that feels different. The goal isn't to impress her with how much you can say. It's to engage her in a way that feels natural and interesting. Also, stop texting just to fill silence. Silence is not your enemy. A lot of guys panic when the conversation slows down, so they force another topic or send something random just to keep it going. That's usually where attraction drops. It's okay to let things breathe. You don't need constant communication to maintain interest, and trying to force it often does the opposite. And most importantly, if the conversation is going well, don't drag it out for days. Make a move. Keep it simple and direct. Something like suggesting coffee or meeting up. Real connection doesn't happen through a screen. It happens face to face. And the longer you stay stuck in texting, the less chance you give that connection to actually grow. Finally, pay attention to her energy and match it. If she's sending short replies, don't send long paragraphs. If she takes time to respond, don't feel like you need to reply instantly every time. It's not about playing games. It's about being socially aware and keeping the interaction balanced so it feels natural instead of forced. At the end of the day, texting isn't supposed to carry the entire connection. If you rely on it too much, it will slowly kill attraction, not because you're not good enough, but because the medium itself is limited. Use texting the right way. Keep it light, keep it intentional, and focus on real-life interaction, because that's where attraction actually happens.